Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video in the Merry Mickmas series is going to be a holiday tutorial on this festive look, and I thought I would come up with something that's easy to recreate for you guys. Maybe you're going to like a holiday work party, maybe you're getting together with friends, or you want to jazz things up on Christmas or New Year's. I thought this would be a good one. It's been one of my go-to looks, and I've kind of been obsessed with glitter, so there's some of that going on. If you're new to my channel though, don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist I have linked down below. It is for the whole Merry Mickmas series. If you don't know, that's kind of my version of Vlogmas, so I'm posting a new video every single weekday during the month of December, and there's a lot of variety in the videos, so you're bound to find something you want to watch, and I'll have that link down below. But before we get into today's video, I wanted to mention our sponsors. So I'm really excited because I'm working with Kiss on this video, and you guys know I'm obsessed with Kiss. I've used their products for probably the past like 3-4 years, and I'm obsessed with them still. They're the ones that make the Impress Press-On Manicure. These are incredible. I use them all the time. So great for holiday parties, especially this time of year because we're all so busy. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply these and what fun styles they have for the holidays. And then also I'm going to be using the Kiss Blowout Lashes in this video. I love this new collection. I think it's new as of this year, like this past year, to Kiss, and the lashes are incredible. All the lashes from this collection are super full and fluffy, which is exactly what I like in a false lash, and they're super comfortable to wear as well. So if you guys are new to false lashes, I show you guys in the video how I like to apply mine, so hopefully you can try it out for yourself. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. First step in the getting ready process for the holidays for me personally is applying nails, and in the winter and just like in December in general, I am so busy that I just don't have 2 hours to go to the nail salon. So these Impress Press-On Manicures are a lifesaver, and they're so easy to apply. As you guys can see, this is their holiday collection, so there's a bunch of different styles for you to choose from. To apply this one-step gel manicure, all you have to do is take out all the packaged contents. So you get 30 different nails, and as you can see, some of them are different colors or have accent nails. And what you want to do is put them all out onto a table. It's obviously best to use a flat surface to do this. And then you're going to match up each of the nail with your natural nail. So they do have numbers on the back, so if you want to make them super even and make sure both of your hands are like the same size, then you can totally do that. It's super, super helpful. And you just want to kind of place each nail in order of you applying them, so you know what nail is going to go on each finger. And then the package also includes a cuticle pusher, a little baby nail file, and also a cleaning pad. So you're going to want to take out the cleaning pad and just wipe off your nails. Of course, you're going to want to make sure your nails have nothing on them. They're free, they're clean, and they are kind of short because you don't want them peeking out over top of these nails. And then all you have to do once you've done the prep pad is peel off the back of the nail and press it onto your nail. I definitely recommend starting with the cuticle and pushing towards the tip of your nail, and then just hold it down for a few seconds and then let go, and you should have a very strong holded press-on nail on your finger. As you guys can see with these, there's no glue and no dry time. You literally just like peel and stick and you're good to go. I've seen people apply these on airplanes, even in the back of a cab. Like if you're going to a wedding or something, or some holiday party and you just forgot to do your nails, pick up a package of these and they will change your life. I love them so much, and the adhesive on this is really strong. I find that these last a really long time on my nails personally, and I love that. And this is what the completed manicure looks like. It's great for in between salon visits, but it's also just a fast and easy way to get a perfect manicure. Moving into the makeup, I already applied my foundation and my brows just to speed things up because you guys have seen that in previous videos, and I'm starting with my eyes. So I'm going in with like a light brown shade and running that through my crease and blending it out to the best of my ability. My skin is very dry right now, so shadow doesn't exactly blend out as well as I would hope, and you know, that's just life. Okay, moving on, I'm taking a deeper brown shade and applying that all over my lid. These are all matte shadows that I'm using currently. Just applying that to both of my eyelids and smudging it out, or blending it out rather, and then taking that same color and running that along my lower lash line. I always like to put shadow underneath there. I find that it really smokes out the eye and gives a lot more definition. Next, I'm taking a lighter brown shade and just running that on a big fluffy brush in my crease to blend everything out, and then also using a matte color for my brow bone highlight. And then we're gonna go in and do some glitter. So I'm starting off with just a shimmery eyeshadow. This one kind of has like a gold taupey tint to it, so I'm applying that to the center of my eyelid really lightly, just as a nice base for the glitter. But for the glitter, I'm gonna be using this pressed glitter pigment. It's basically looks like a magical snowflake in a bottle, and so that's what I'm gonna do. And I always like to apply chunky glitters like this with my finger very delicately because they do end up all over my face if you're not careful. Of course, you can hang like a tissue underneath to catch all the fallout if you want to, but I don't mind a little glitter on my cheek, I'm not gonna lie. So after I've applied that and really press that into my eyelid, just the center, and kind of blend it out, I'm taking a kind of dark maroon shade and blending that a little bit more into my crease to deepen it and also to kind of match my nails. And to finish off my eyelid, I'm just going in with another glitter. This one's more silvery taupe, and pressing that on top of my eyelid. Moving on to lashes. As I mentioned, I'm going to be using one of the Kiss blowout lashes. These are amazing. Here are 4 styles so you guys can get a feel for what the collection looks like. The style that I'm going to be using in today's video is called Pixie. I really like these ones because they're a little bit more tapered, so they flare out quite a bit on the end, which I like in a lash. And since I'm not going to be applying any eyeliner today, I'm just going in with a thin coat of mascara to prep my lashes. And then once I have that on, I like to cut my lashes if need be. So I like to take them off of the package and then just measure them up to my eyelid and see if I do need to cut them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I only need to cut one. It's dependent on the lash. But once I've done that and they're sized properly, I apply the glue, wait about 30 seconds for it to get a little bit clear and tacky, and then I go right in and apply it as close to my lash line as possible. If you've never applied false lashes before, it definitely takes a little while to get used to them, but these bands are super flexible and I find them really easy to use. You can also use tweezers to help out if you need to. I sometimes need to use them on the inner corners, but yeah, that's pretty much how I like to apply my lashes, and of course I'm repeating all those steps on the other side. And when the glue is drying, I'm just using my mascara and coating my bottom lashes, and sometimes I do like to curl my lashes together to kind of combine the false ones with my natural ones. And moving on to my face makeup, I'm adding some bronzer to deepen up my skin tone a little bit. I kind of have a little bit of self-tanner left over, so my body doesn't exactly match my face, so using a little bit of bronzer to kind of match them. And I'm also contouring my nose. I just like to do this on fancier days, you know? To each your own. And then for blush, I'm going in with kind of like a nudie pink. I really like this one. It's very pretty and looks a lot lighter in the pan than it does on my skin, which is great. So love a blush. And then for highlight today, I wanted to go all out, and I'm going to be using this one that's shaped like a flower. It is so beautiful, and I'm so obsessed, and it applied really nicely. It's actually super pigmented. I feel like especially this time of year, I want to be a glowing disco ball, so the more highlight the merrier. And then because of that, I'm gonna go in with a second highlighter, and this one kind of has a little bit more of a, I don't know, glitter effect to it. So I'm just taking my finger and then lightly pressing that into my cheekbone, just kind of giving a little bit of sparkle here and there. Not going too heavy on that because it's quite sparkly. Yeah, and I want to keep the focus of the sparkles on my eyes. And then for lips, I'm just going in with a very dark, kind of red wine color, if you will. It's not a traditional holiday red because I didn't want something super bright. I wanted to match it a little bit closer to my nails, so I went with a little bit of a deeper shade and just applied that and then topped it with a nude gloss. And there you have it, friends. That is my quick and easy holiday makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and cue the outro. And that pretty well wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe got some inspiration for your holiday makeup this year. I will have the Kiss lashes and nails linked down below so you guys can go check them out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.